Hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Guess what? I learned about an exciting dessert that you can make with Grey Poupon. This should be fun. It's a honey mustard apple crisp. I've cut up 4 Granny Smith apples, and I'm gonna toss them in a little lemon juice. In a small saucepan, I need half a cup of honey and a tablespoon of Grey Poupon. Heat it up and stir it up until it's smooth and thick. Pour that sauce over the apples and mix it well. In another bowl, I need half cup of oats, half a cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a little salt. I'm adding half a stick of cut up butter. And I'm gonna rub that all in until I get a nice crumbly mix. Pour those apples into a greased 8x8 and sprinkle on that crumble. And I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Dijon mustard comes from Dijon, France, from 1777. There was a mustard maker from Dijon, France, named Maurice Grey. And in 1860, he invented a special mustard machine that could make Dijon mustard really fast. And in 1866, he teamed up with another mustard maker, Auguste Poupon, and they created Grey Poupon. I think Grey Poupon is most known for their unusual commercials involving 2 Rolls Royces that pull up next to each other, and one of the Rolls Royces says, "Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon?" And the other driver says, "But of course." They later made other commercials, one involving the Orient Express, and another was like a super spy car chase that came out in 2013. You'll have to check that one out. In the past, I visited a fun mustard museum in Mount Horeb, Wisconsin, where you could try so many mustards from all around the world, and you can even take a class to get a degree in mustard from Poupon U. All right, let's give this a whirl. Grey Poupon honey mustard apple crisp. It's very unique. It's totally an apple crisp with a little bit of depth with that mustard. I totally do taste the mustard in this. I like it, and I think I'm gonna give it a 6.8 out of 10. I really feel like I've had this mustard before. Or am I just experiencing Dijon vu?